Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to allow public search on Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, as you can see, once you've logged in, this is the home page, and right now we simply want to enable public search. For that, we need to go to settings. Now follow me step by step. Initially, let's go to profile. Once you're in the profile page, something like this will open up. Right here is your profile picture and your status ready for a relationship. Right now, let's simply go to settings. The button's right here at the top right and it's a gear-like icon. Once you're in the settings page, well, there's basic info, notifications and privacy. Let's go to privacy right here and this will open up. There's something like show location, online status, but right now, let's only focus on public search. Here's the tab called Allow Public Search. Let's toggle on this button corresponding to it. Now it's gonna give you something like this. Make your profile visible outside of Badoo. Well, the choice is up to you. For now, I'm simply gonna click on OK. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable public search in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.